Hi, guys. Today I am going to show you how to wax seal your wedding invitations. As you can see here, I have an acrylic wedding invitation by Elegant Wedding Invites. This is their greenery frosted acrylic wedding invitation. It is available in two materials, clear and frosty. Looks very pretty. I have the clear one here. Things we need to get started. 1. Wax beads. 2. Stamp head. 3. Spoon. 4. Candles and a matchstick. Few decorative elements. I have a vellum paper here, a pressed flower, a thread and a brown torn paper. Once you are done assembling your invite, get ready to seal it. Few things to keep in mind. Check for the direction of formation your design is to keep your stamp straight. You can mark it as I have. 3 to 4 wax beads are enough to form one seal. While melting the wax, make sure not to boil it. Slowly warm it up to avoid forming bubbles. You can use a toothpick to stir the wax. Your wax should have this kind of nectar thick consistency with no bubbles. Pour the wax and stamp it. Wait for a few seconds before removing the stamp. That's it. You are done. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.